Okay, Google, start waterfall.
Sure.
What's up guys? In this video, you can see a smart waterfall that I created with the help of my uncle in my drawing room. This waterfall is very concise and low-cost DIY waterfall. It has some strings in between, in which water is flowing over it. This waterfall can be operated with voice command, and with on and off switch that you can see in this video.
Okay, Google, turn off waterfall.
Okay, turning off the waterfall.
Look, how it just on and off by visual button in Google Home Maps. I used a smart switch, whose link is provided in the description. I am waiting for your response. If you guys ask me whole procedure, I will give you all instructions with its problems, solutions, and material with cost. And I have some more DIY projects, for example planted aquarium and coffee table. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.